I'm just making some hummus, so I've got some organic chickpeas in here, some lemon juice, some olive oil, some zucchini. Zucchini is really creamy in flavour, and just some extra veggies into my hummus. Some tahini, some garlic, some smoky paprika, some cumin and some salt in here. So I'm going to blitz this up, and what else have I got in here? And I'll probably chuck a couple of tomatoes in here, just cherry tomatoes for a bit of sweetness. Okay, now I am making this, excuse all the wine there, this is my cooking wine. This is Frufi's new ThermoCook Pro. So this is similar to your Thermomix. Mine's currently in getting serviced, or about to go in and get serviced. So I've recently got this one. I'm still learning how to use it properly. This has got similar functions, so you can weigh, speed, you can cook with this. It has got a timer on here, pulsing to make dough, so you can make, put your grains in here and make flours, you can make your nut butters, you can make soups in here. So yeah, I've got all my ingredients in there for my hummus. I'm just going to blitz this up and make a quick hummus.